Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is going to be my 10-minute everyday makeup routine. This is the look. It may look like a lot of steps, but I do break it down and share with you all the products that I've been loving and reaching for a lot. I do tend to try out a lot of makeup products, so these are the things that I've tried a lot and used a lot, so I wanted to put them all in a video for you guys so you can, you know, see how I do my everyday makeup, because I do get questions on my Instagram and my YouTube videos to do these types of videos, so hopefully those of you that have been asking are excited for today's video. This video is extra special because it's a collab, and I haven't done a collab in so long, so I'm very excited. I partnered with these four lovely girls, and there is two Jessicas. We got Chloe, and of course you guys know Brittany, and we're all doing routine type videos, so there's a lot of morning routines, a productive routine, we got a cozy night routine, lots of fun routine videos, which I know you guys like, so go check out everyone's channels. I will have links down below. But the reason we are collabing in today's video is because we have partnered with Dote to bring you guys a $500 giveaway, which is insane. These are like so much fun to curate for you guys. We got to pick out all of the products, and the total reaches $500 for one lucky winner. And the way that you guys can enter to win is download the app Dote. It is a style app. It's like an online mall. It's one of the coolest apps because you get to shop at a bunch of stores in one place and only do one checkout. So it's not like you're going to Forever 21's website or Urban Outfitters. You're going to one place to do all your shopping, and it's so great, and it keeps everything so organized. So that is where we are doing the giveaway. So all you have to do is download the app, check out the giveaway link, and be sure you're following all of us on the app, as well as subscribe to our channels. So yeah, that's super exciting. I am going to show kind of what we're giving away so you guys can see. There's a lot of makeup and clothing, a lot of cute stuff for spring. We kind of went with like a Coachella theme, so festival, very floral. I'm so excited. I love these items so much, and I'm so excited to give them to one of you guys. So yeah, definitely enter that awesome giveaway, but enough rambling, enough chatting. Let's get into the everyday makeup routine. The first thing I like to do is go in with a facial spray just to really plump up my skin, and then I like to brighten my under eyes using the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. Now I do tend to switch up my foundations every day, which sounds kind of crazy, but I love foundations, so I have a lot of them, and my skin is always changing, so it depends on what my skin is like, the foundation I use. But to keep it super simple for today's video, I'm gonna go in with my IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus cream. I'm using the shade Fair, and I love this stuff if you're in a little bit of a rush because it's full coverage, and you can just use a nice little flat top kabuki brush to blend that out. Also, this product does have SPF 50, which is amazing if you guys are outside during the day, because sunscreen is super important. Following that, I'm just going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is pretty much the only concealer I ever use. And I'm just going to be blending that out with a beauty blender. And then to set everything, I'm going in with my Rimmel London Stay Matte Powder. Love this stuff. Bought it like a bajillion times. Highly recommend from the drugstore. Moving on to brows, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Total Temptation brow pencil. This one is, or sorry, it's a brow definer. And this one is in the shade 310 Medium Brown. This is such a good little pencil from the drugstore, and I do really like the spoolie on the other side as well to blend everything out. And then I'm just going in and setting that with a brow gel. For my eyes on quick makeup days, I don't like to do too much if I'm going to be doing winged liner, so I'm going to be taking my Too Faced White Peach palette, and I'm going to go in with the shade Peach Cream, run that all over my lid, and then I'm going to kind of darken up my crease with a mix of Sweet Fig and Fuzzy. And in my personal opinion, I've really been liking the White Peach palette a little bit more than the Just Peachy, just because it has a little bit more cool tone shadows. I just really like the diversity in this palette, and it smells incredible. Just to give it a nice little wash of color, I'm also going to take a smaller brush and take those same two shades and run that on my lower lash line. Now that I have a little bit of color on my eyes, I'm gonna go in with my Balm Schwing liquid liner, and you're probably thinking you're gonna do liquid liner in a 10-minute makeup routine, and yes, because I'm super quick at it, I can do it in my 10-minute makeup routine, but also it does make me look a lot more put together, so I like to do my liquid liner. For my lashes today, I'm going to go in and curl them, and then I'm going to use the Bad Gal Bang Mascara from Benefit. It's a new one. I do really like it. It's a super wet formula, so you kind of have to be careful with your eyelids, but it is a really good mascara. Now that the eyes are done, I'm going to move on to finishing off my face. I'm going to go in with the tried and true Hoola Bronzer by Benefit and just contour and bronze up my skin. For blush today, I'm going to go in with a new one from Bare Minerals. This is one of their Gen Nude blushes, and it is in the shade Beige for Days. It's a really nice, dark, natural looking color, almost like a bronzer, but it does give your skin such a nice, healthy little bit of color and glow, so that's what I'm using. Now I'm going to go in with one of my current favorite products that I feel like not a lot of people talk about, and this is the Dandelion Shy Beam from Benefit. It is such a gorgeous natural highlight. It's a liquid product, so I just like to take the little brush, it kind of looks like nail polish, and put it where I would normally highlight, just a little on the cheekbones and then a little on the nose, such as this, and then I like to take my beauty blender, let's not get my hair in it, and blend it out. And it's like a nice pearly pink color, so it's good for fair skin tones, but it just gives you such a natural little sheen. Hopefully you guys can see, but it gives you such a nice, healthy looking glow. I absolutely love this stuff, and that is what I like to use on minimal makeup days because it makes your skin look so fresh and beautiful. And now the last step is going to be lips, and I'm gonna go in with the Lancome Matte Shaker. This one is Sea, Sand, and Sun. These are such good products for on the go. All you have to do is take them, shake them like a martini, by the shape of it, and then it has a little sponge tip applicator, and you just apply it. Normally I would go in with lip liner, but I'm kind of too lazy, so I'm just gonna go right in with this stuff. And you guys have probably heard of the Juicy Shakers, so those are the more glossy, oily ones. These ones are the matte ones, so they go on a little bit like creamy, and then they do dry down to a demi matte. I honestly just love the texture of the applicator. It is so soft on my lips, and the smell of this is incredible. All of them, I think they all have a different scent, but they all smell so, so good. So that is my completed everyday 10-minute makeup routine, and I feel like it's gonna be a lot of products for some of you, but this is what I like to get done in 10 minutes. It's a look I go to all the time, so I'm pretty fast at it now. So that is it. I will have all the products I used in today's video linked down below so you guys can go shop them, and obviously go check me out on Dote and watch all of the other girls' videos. They will also be linked down below. This is so exciting, and definitely enter the giveaway and let me know what you think of everything in the comments, and I will chat with you guys in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.